Avan Dave Cyrus R. Let's move forward to Juarez Winchell Joyce G. Escabosa Aisharain T.
Nagisapot.
Espinosa Niraya Ezra A. Piedad Avril S. Rafael Arianime C. And Avan Dave Cyrus R. Together with them are our honored guest, our OIC. Of course, nakalimtan na ako, punutan dyan kong kapitanani. The supportive Sangguniang Barangay Council of Barangay San Isidro, headed by the Punong Barangay Honorable Agripino M. Aboilo Jr. And together with them are our honored guest. We have our OIC Municipal Social Welfare Officer 2, Marestela Naranjo, our ECCD Focal, Marisa F. Huerta, our guest speaker, Shakira O. Timbang, along with the CW from Barangay Poblacion. And requesting the punong barangays of Barangay Kalian, Kagbungalon, Gudan, and San Isidro nga moiko diri sa atubangan uban sa atong honored guest. Before anything